Good evening, Stock Devils. It's Thursday, February 12th. Let's get right to it. DSPG continues to be the great stock of the week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 5 consecutive up days. Actually, it is 5 consecutive up days, but 4 since we told you to get in at the 586 mark. Bounced up really nicely today, currently sitting at 632. Told you yesterday if you had an opportunity to get out at between 620 and 640 to take it. I'm not sure if you exited or not, but if you have not, I would put protective stop at around 620. And let's see if the stock keeps moving on the upside. You can see its 7-day moving average is starting to turn up, and the 20-day moving average should not be too far behind it. This stock may have a little bit more room to run, but don't be afraid to take profit and hop on out if you get it. Let's continue on with the others that we have running. We're still stuck in ArcSight. As odd as it seems, this one is starting to trend back up. Our buy-in on this stock was here at 875, so we're now sitting at 20 cents below. We held on through the day today for a number of reasons. I told you yesterday I was placing protective stops, but I pulled them mainly because I didn't know where the market was going to go, and I wanted to wait one more day and see what would happen. I feel a little more comfortable with it finishing here in its top range, so I'm going to stick it out with ArcSight. I'm not down that far here. I'm down just under 3%, so I will watch it, and if we can get back to that buy-in point and break up, then I'll feel a little bit better. Still have a 50-day moving up. Obviously with this downtrending curve, the 20 and 7s have turned over, so I'm not going to have a lot of patience with it, but I'd like to see it get back to break even tomorrow, if not a little bit ahead. Next up is GTLS. Another oldie but a goodie. This one has trended backward. Nice little channel here. Again, I'm sticking out on this one. It's flattening out a little bit, but that's largely due to this V pattern. I'm going to have to probably give up on this one soon, so that'll be a short. I'm in it at the short of it. I'm in it at 826, which is just above that line there. So if we don't get back up and over that line, I will take my loss and move on. But I stuck it out the 2 days here to see if we couldn't get back up. Obviously, the market didn't really help us until late today, so let's see what happens tomorrow. We did finish up 8 cents on it today from yesterday's close, so I feel a little bit better. Plus, you can see the high of the day at 828. It had some room to move up there, so one more day. We'll see what happens. Yesterday, we told you about MFLX. That one executed today at $16. We're currently up 77 cents on that. I think we actually told you a buy limit of 1684, and based on the numbers, I think I made a calc error on that, so it was my bad. It should have been 1644. Either way, we got filled at a lower price, so that's called a discount. That's a good thing. So we're long on this one at $16, and our other stock was PAR, which we had a buy stop at 852. This is not executed yet, 852 being right about there. But as you can see, the stock is moving sideways, so that 852 was still valid as of today. So if you didn't get filled yesterday but you had your order placed, stick with it one more day. The 50 and the 20 are still trending up on the stock, and it still meets the setup conditions for moving upward. So 852 on a buy stop. Those are the two that we gave you yesterday. We have 2 new ones for today. Obviously, we're getting a little heavy. This would give us, for some of us, this would give us probably a max right now of 7 positions. We don't want to go more than 8, so we can possibly take these if you want to. The first is NWE, Northwestern Corp. Broke just above its 20-day moving average, but settled just below it today, right here. And tomorrow, that's going to be a buy limit at 23.74, and we're looking for it to get up to about this mark, between 24.50 and 24.80, to be able to exit that one somewhat comfortably. Next and last for the evening is SPR. This is one that just moved up above its averages, so this is a buy on a limit at 13.09, which was the close of the day, and you're looking to get to somewhere around this top line here in the upper range of its dual highs there. So again, 13.09 on a buy limit for SPR. That's the update for the day. We'll be back tomorrow night with the recap for the week and an update on our positions and our potential exits going into next week. So we'll see you then. Have a great night.